Good morning, students. In last video we have learnt about mean, mode and range. Now we will learn what is median. How to find out median. Median is basically the central tendency, as mean, median, mode all are central tendency, but they have different meanings. Median is the term which comes in the middle of given data. Let us see. We have some. Let us see with the help of example. We are taking some marks, that is 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 9, 4. Okay. Now you have to find out the median. To find out the median, our first step will be first step is write the observations in ascending order. Ascending order means from lowest to highest. So the lowest is first 1, then 2, 2 again, then 3, then 4, 4. 4 is 2 times, so we will take 4, 4. Then 5. 5 is again 2 times. Here is no 6. 7, 8, 9. 9 is again 2 times. Now we will check whether we have written all the entries or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total entries are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means we have written all the entries. Now, our second step will be, we will check number of entries or observations. As the number of observations are 12, which is even, then its median will be of different. We will find the median in different manner. If the number of entries or observations are odd, let us take 11. We can leave 9 for once to understand the median. Okay. If the number of terms are odd, then the median will be n plus 1 by 2 th observation. Means n is 11. If n is 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. Means 6th observation. Got it? 6th observation, not 6th. Now we will check which is the 6th observation. We will check in the ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 is the 6th observation. So median will be 4. But if the number of terms are even, then median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation divided by 2. So the median will be the mean of arithmetic mean of middle two terms. You can see if n is 11 means you can see here before this 4 we have 1 2 3 4 5 observations, and after this 1 2 3 4 5 observations. So 4 is exactly in the middle of these observations. But if we add 9 also, then we have total 12 observations. Then our middle terms will be these two terms. These two terms are in the middle. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 observations before these two observations and 5 observations after these two observations. So our middle terms will be these two observations. So to find out the median, the formula will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. As the n is 12, then 12 by 2, that is 6, plus 12 by 2 plus 1 means 6 plus 1. 6th observation plus 6 plus 1, 7th observation by 2. Now check which is the 6th observation. Our 6th observation is 1 2 3 4 5 6 4, and 7th observation is 5. Then 6th observation 4 plus 5. 6th observation is 4 and 7th observation is 5. So 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 9 by 2, and 9 by 2 is 4.5. So the median is 4.5. Like this you can find out the medians of given data. If you have odd number of observations, then the median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation, and if you have even number of observations, then the median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2, first of all you will find out n by 2. N by 2, 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 6th observation plus 7th observation by 2. And 6th observation is 4 and 7th observation is 5. Then 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. Now you can do these exercises of mean, median and mode and range easily. Thank you.